Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today's going to be a good one. Okay, all of them good, but today's going to be another good training for you guys. 4 tips to get more SMMA clients. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. You're going to want to watch this video over and over and over again. A lot of you guys are in SMMA. Perhaps you got your first client. Perhaps you got a couple clients, but you want more. Let's face it, we all want more because the more clients you get, the more money you're going to make. You got 5 clients paying you $2,000 is $10,000. You get another 5, you're looking at $20,000. So the more clients you get, the more money you're going to make, especially if you provide results for those clients, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys, there's a bunch of things you guys can do, but these are the creme de la creme. These are the tips, okay, that allow me to literally pull in 30 G's a month in SMMA right now, and I'm on my way to generating over $50,000 a month in SMMA, okay? Now, these are the keys you have to focus on. These are the tips, okay? If you're brand new and you don't have any clients, this is your lucky day, okay? Because I'm gonna give you guys some things that'll help you get your first one. And if you already got clients, so be it. You can watch the video and you can apply these things. But this, I believe, is the missing ingredient to why people don't have clients or why most people aren't getting a boatload of clients weekly. Weekly. Okay? And you guys want clients weekly, right? Because if you get clients weekly, you're going to make a lot of money weekly. Okay? So this is the number one thing you got to understand. This is what getting clients is all about. You don't do this, I don't care what you're doing. Okay? This is the key. You guys probably already know it. Prospecting. Okay? This is the creme de la creme. You guys aren't doing enough prospecting. This is the key. This is how you get clients. If you don't prospect, meaning if you're not making cold calls, okay? Okay, for those that are afraid of the phone, if you're not doing cold emails, okay? For those that like the other strategy, the looms, okay? Or the Facebook outreach, okay? All right, these are some things you can do to get clients, all right? You can send cold emails, you can make cold calls, you can do looms, you can meet in person, okay? These are things you can do, all right, to get clients. You can set up Facebook ads, okay? You can also do Google ads, okay? This is stuff we don't really talk about, all right? But I know how to do them, and these are things you can do, all right? And most of the gurus are setting up funnels and stuff like that you guys are probably watching, and I know about that stuff too. But this is always at the top of my list because it's the fastest way. CCing is the fastest way. That's why I love it, and it has the least amount of learning curve than this other stuff, okay? Now, a lot of this other stuff is passive. You have to wait. Cold calling is aggressive. And so if you guys want more clients, okay, it's all about your prospecting. So check this out. Let me give you guys a real example about this. So let's say I wanted to generate five clients this month, all right? So it comes out, now I'll make it bigger. Let's say I wanted to get 10 clients, okay, this month, all right? If I wanted 10 clients this month, the first thing I got to do is say, okay, I got the goal. This is the goal, okay, and that's 10 clients, all right, this month. So I want 10 clients this month. So I already know I got to prospect, meaning I got to get in front of some business owners. So number one, folks, if you're new, you want more clients, you're just getting started in SMMA, and you want to get those $1,000, $2,000 payments every month, you got to prospect. That means you got to talk to somebody. You can't talk to a dog or a cat. You got to talk to another human being who has a business that will allow you to put their business on the virtual web, okay? On Facebook, on Google, on Bing, or what have you, okay? Instagram, all right? You have to prospect. That means you have to talk or communicate or put something in front of those people. So I know I got to prospect, okay? I have to prospect, and more prospecting. I have to prospect, Okay? The reason why you don't have clients, you're not prospecting. How many cold calls did you make this week? How many cold emails, all right? How many loans? How many Facebook outreaches did you do? How many people did you meet in person? Whatever strategy you're using, if you're watching this, it doesn't matter. I got you. I got you on all these strategies, because a lot of you guys may not be doing cold calls, but you should. But let me ask you this. I guarantee you, most of you guys are going to say, Maurice, you got me. You know, I only made a few calls. I haven't made any calls. You know, I was getting ready to get ready, and I don't have an outsourcer. You're starting to make excuses. Don't make excuses. You can make money or you can make excuses, but you can't do both. Okay, no excuses here. This is gonna be the no excuses zone. I want everybody that's watching this video to make $10,000 to $20,000 a month in the next 30 to 60 days. And if you guys want to do it, click the link in the description and grab the ICP course. You guys know it's a phenomenal course. But outside of that, ladies and gentlemen, I can almost guarantee you that most of you guys aren't prospecting. Okay, so that's number one. If I want 10, I already know I got to prospect. Okay. The next thing, this is key, all right? This is something that gets a lot of you guys, okay? I'm just going to put 10x it, all right? This is number 2, make more calls, all right? So if I want to do 10, I already know I'm going to need to make more calls, all right? So I may, instead of booking 2 to 3 appointments a day, if I wanted to knock out 10 real quick, I may increase it, maybe just 1 to 4. If I do 1 to 4, all right, I already know that if I do 1 to 4, all right, and my numbers are a lot higher. I'm not even going to use my numbers, but I'm going to use your numbers. Everything should be 20%. If you're brand new, it should be 20% across the board. If you follow my system, my 4-step process, and like I said, if you guys want it, click the link in the description. But this is exactly what I would do. I know I got to prospect. Okay, got to focus on that. If you're not prospecting, none of these tips work, okay, because you got to be taking action and doing the thing, okay? So I know I got to prospect, and I know I got to prospect more. All right, that's the title of this video, is how to get more clients, okay? And if you don't have clients and you're watching this, this is even better, because now you can literally go from 0 to 10, because you can just replicate what I mean by 10xing it. So I'm just going to take it up, because if you do 2 to 3 appointments a day, the way I teach it, you could easily hit 6 figures in the next 60 to 90 days, okay? My students are doing it. I've done it. You know, I'm 5 times that amount right now with my agency, crushing it in the midst of a pandemic, okay? So no excuses, ladies and gentlemen. So let's look at these numbers really, really quick, okay? So if we do 3, let's just say 3 times 5, so that's 15 times 4. So that gives us about 60 appointments times 20% will show up. So you're looking at about 12. So let's go times another 20%. So that's about 3 new clients at about 20%. So what I would do is I would increase that. I may go 8 or 16, so that I can, like I said, 10x that. So instead of doing 3, it may be 9, it may be 12 if I'm in that 3 to 4th range at 20% as a new person. My numbers are much, much higher, okay? So that's what I would do. So you want to 10x, okay? So you want to prospect, you want to make more calls. And the reason why I say more calls is because most of you guys are making 5 calls. Maurice, I didn't get anywhere. Make more calls. Call more businesses. There's over 30, 40, 50 million small businesses in the U.S. alone. There's over 10,000 businesses started every day in the U.S. So there's plenty of businesses. You guys aren't just doing the thing. You have to do the thing, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get more clients, okay? You got to be on it, all right? This is another one, all right? This is the 4 tips. This is very important. I'm just going to write this. You got to take action, okay? You have to take action, all right? When you consume this video, all right, you're prospecting, you're making more calls. You got to take action on what you're learning. A lot of you guys are consuming courses, you're consuming videos and books, but you're not taking action. If you want more clients, take action, okay? And then I'm just going to put /goals. You guys got to have goals. That's why I put that there. If you want more clients, you got to have a goal to have more clients. A client just not going to fall in, bam, hit you in the head. You know what I mean? You have to set it as a goal. You have to have intention. Success is intentional. You don't accidentally make 30 G's. I made over 30 G's last month. I didn't accidentally do that. It was intentional. You have to be intentional when it comes to success. All right? It's not just going to happen. That's why you have to do this right here. My last tip is to get a course. Okay? This is important. All right? And I'm just going to write right below it, Mind University. All right? Mind UN. All right? Mind University. Get a course. Why? Here's what happens. Just like right now, I'm giving you guys some insider tips. Most of you guys aren't prospecting. You guys already say, Maurice, thank you for the video. Most of you guys aren't making enough calls. Most of you guys aren't action taking. Most of you guys don't have goals. And most of you guys won't get courses, and you don't want to invest in Mind University. Mind University is so important because that's what allowed me. That's initially. If I was to look at my success, here's the thing, man. When I stumbled upon SMMA like you guys, the first thing I did was buy a course. Somebody else that were already making thousands of dollars to give me their blueprint, all I had to do was copy their blueprint. Now, I since went on to buy all type of courses, you know, thousands of dollars worth of trainings and courses and coaching and all that stuff. But my initial seed of learning about SMMA is I bought a course. That's why I got to tell you this. I did it as a new person. I put the money together and I got a course. Okay? I didn't want to try to figure the whole thing out. A lot of you guys are trying to figure out SMMA and YouTube's excellent. Man, no. Get a course. Go through it and get another course and go through it and learn from the people that are making money. Now, I just told you guys, you know, the amount of money, and I'm not trying to boast or brag, but you guys need to understand that. What most people make in a whole year, okay, I made last month, okay, and I didn't work 8 hours. It was part-time because I got other operations that I do that generate money also, okay? So you can almost say it was a side income, okay? If someone's telling me they're making that type of money and they got courses and information, I want to get it. Why? Because it's going to allow me to move faster, and then it's going to allow me not to go through the mistakes that they went through. So it's going to allow me to get to 10K per month faster. You know, life is too short, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the coronavirus. You don't have 30 years to be trying to get your first client. You want to know where are the advantages is at. Courses allow you to do that. You got to know where the advantage is at. And ladies and gentlemen, I put the advantages in my courses on what you should be doing to get to $10,000 a month. But here's the funny part. Most people aren't willing to invest in themselves. They say, I can't afford it. You mean you can't afford something that's going to take you to 10,000? You deserve the best, ladies and gentlemen. So go and apply what you just learned. So number one, you got to be prospecting. Number two, you got to make more calls, 10x it. Take action, set your goals. I'm just putting that together. And then get a course, Mind University. You got to grow. You guys know that's my foundation. So I can't take that out as far as one of my tips. I know a lot of you guys don't like mindset. But ladies and gentlemen, without the mind, man, nothing happens out here. If it doesn't happen up here, it won't happen out here. You can guarantee that if you had a $10 up here, it's not going to be $100 out here. Because you got $10 up here, ladies and gentlemen, what's in you comes out of you. So if you got $10 action, you're going to do $10 results. So you're going to get $10 results, okay? So work on your mind, all right? So guys, I hope this training has been of immense value to you. If it has, comment below. Let me know what you thought. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. Make sure you subscribe. I put out a lot of fire like this to help you guys get to the top of your game. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.